Hey Rupert, where are we? We're on our way down Medby. There's Poppy down there. This is the first time we've come up Medby in this training block where there was a car in the parking lot, and I thought, oh man, but I thought, oh, we're gonna come up anyway. Had Poppy on the leash, which was really tough to use poles and have a dog on leash. Look at her on there, she's like Rin Tin Tin. Hey, you're a good girl. Anyway, I sort of recognized the car and I thought this might be our friend Aaron, young Aaron, and it actually turned out it was. So Rupert had run ahead and greeted her, and then I had Poppy on leash, as I said, and she passed by, and then I took Poppy off and we were all good. So I've had a bit of a, let's talk about my injury. My left calf's been really, I think it was just kind of strained. So on Friday I didn't run, and Sunday I just did strength and no running. Come on, buddy. And it seems to be, this would really test it coming up here, and it's been really good. So I think that little break was good. Listen to those birds. I wonder what kind of bird that is. Anyway, so yeah, we're really looking forward to the race. We're gonna do one more Medby next weekend, and then we'll be done for this little while. It was supposed to be really rainy this morning too, and it's really super nice. Also, it was supposed to be gusty winds, and all you can hear is the bird, no wind. Because when I try to listen to the bird, it stops. Okay, so this is probably boring. Oh, my YouTube channel has 656, I think it was, subscribers. Isn't that nuts? I'm trying to get to 1,000. Ugh, that's a pretty gross pool of water, but Rupert must be thirsty. Mia used to lie in that. It used to drive me nuts. Hey, Rupert, you never got to meet Mia, did ya? No, shake your head no. Okay, let's keep going. Rupert loves birds. And there's the pop star. Okay, we've done enough. Thanks for watching.